So, first of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Hamza, and I am AI engineer and also the co-founder of Ilarian Technologies. Now, in this lecture, we are going to understand two important concepts in Python: modules and packages. These concepts are help us organize our code properly, especially when we are working on large projects. First, we will understand what modules are, and then we will understand what packages are, and finally we will see why they are important. To make this concept easier, we will also use a real life example of a Plumber toolkit. Now first, let's understand what a module is. A module is a simple Python file that contains code. This can include functions, classes, or variables that we want to reuse in different parts of our project. Instead of writing all the code inside one large file, we divide the code into multiple smaller files, and each file becomes a module. This makes our code clean, organized, and easier to manage. For example, imagine we have a Python file, a Titanic project, app.py, train.py, dataloader.py. App.py, train.py, and dataloader.py are modules because they are Python files. So these files are becomes a module, and we want can import it into another file and reuse these functions. So in simple words, a module is a single Python file that contains reusable code. Now let's understand this with a real example. So imagine a plumber who creates different tools to fix pipes. For example, the plumbers might have a pipe cutter, a screwdriver, etc. Each tool has a specific job. In the same way, in programming, each module contains specific functions that perform specific tasks. So in our example, each tool represents a module, and each tool performs a specific functions. Just like a plumber uses tools when needed, programmers use modules when needed. Now let's move to the second concept, which is a package. What is packages? A package is simply a collection of multiple modules organized inside a folder. In other words, a package is a dictionary that contains multiple Python modules. Packages help us organize large projects into structure folder. Now let's again use the plumber example. A plumber does not carry tools randomly in pockets. Instead, the plumber keeps all tools inside a toolkit box. Inside the toolkit box, there are many tools. For example, screwdriver, cutter, etc. In this example, each tool represents a module, and the toolkit box represents a package. So we can say modules are like individually tools, and a package is like a toolkit that contains many tools. This help the plumber keep everything organized and easy to access. And the same way, packages help programmers organize modules properly. Now the question is why we need modules and packages. So there are several important reasons. The first reason is code organizations. When projects become large, writing everything in one file becomes messy. Modules allow us to split the code into smaller parts. And the second reason is code reusability. Once we create a module, we can reuse it in other projects without rewriting the code. The third reason is easier debugging. If something goes wrong, it is easier to find the problem when the code is divided into modules. The fourth reason is project scalability. Large applications like machine learning systems, FEIs, and data pipelines always use modules and packages. Without them, the project will become very difficult to manage. So there are key benefits. Module and packages help us organize the code and reuse functions and manage large files and projects and make code easier to maintain. Now, the finally summary of the lecture is we understood what modules are. A module is a simple a Python file that contains reusable code, and then we learned what is packages. A package is a folder that contains multiple modules, and we also used a Plumber Toolkit example to understand this concept. In that example, tools represent modules, and toolkit represents packages. This structure helps our programmers organize, reuse, and manage code more efficiently.